Say hello to the Gladius, a smart, submersible drone built for filming, exploring, and observing the underwater world. A portable and user-friendly device, you'll be amazed by the sea life you can find just below the waterline. Impress your friends with the ultra-high-definition 4K camera and stunning 12-megapixel photos with dual dimmable LED lights that cover 135 degrees. Fly around the coral reef with ease, utilizing Gladius's incredible stabilizing technology. Using the simple game-like controller, navigate comfortably with the 2 joysticks and capture photo and video with the push of a button. Explore places you've never been, hop on a boat with some friends, and search the deep with dives down to 100 meters. See something in the distance? Go check it out! The towable floating buoy has a far-reaching 100-meter safe operating range. Gladius comes with 2 kinds of buoyancy weight modules for both freshwater and seawater. Select the proper weight module for any type of adventure. Enjoy your day at the beach. With 2 built-in batteries, you will have plenty of time to see beautiful seascapes, staying submerged for up to 3.5 hours on 1 charge. Whether you are a scuba diver, underwater photographer, fisherman, or explorer, the Gladius is an excellent tool for you. Capture your deep water adventure everywhere. Welcome to the underwater world.